Yep, getting ready for the day ahead with some Welch's, some sparkling cider. Cheers, Megan, to
Okay,
831 News
Ready?
at 4:30 for this week's Alabama Original.
All right, Luke, thank you so much for that. I mean, we don't have any sparkling cider here, so we just got coffee. But for all of Luke's Alabama Original stories, head over to our website and click on that story. And it is 6:47 right there. I think everyone behind the scenes was like, what is going on with these two weirdos, Rob? I mean, I don't think they can handle us this morning.
I think everybody's well aware of Luke by now,
That's
right?
true. That's true. They should be used to it.
It's just par for the course.
Okay,
yeah.
Rob, you're tracking some rain potential.
That's right. We're seeing a few sprinkles and light showers right now, close to Guntersville, but you'll notice mostly just low clouds kind of drifting through Lake Guntersville. 73 degrees right now. And what we're seeing in terms of temperatures, another day with below normal afternoon highs. We're going to make it up to the low to mid 80s, similar to yesterday. And we'll likely see similar conditions again tomorrow. And that's mainly due to the cloud cover and, of course, the showers and the thunderstorms, keeping those temperatures 5 to 7 degrees below normal for mid to late August. Again, we're seeing mostly dry conditions, clouds drifting through the area. There are breaks in the cloud cover, so you're even seeing a little bit of sun breaking through here for that morning commute. And just seeing a few of these sprinkles to light showers drifting through Marshall County, may just clip parts of DeKalb County. It will zoom in a little bit closer. There, of course, is our Guntersville radar, part of the Way 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network, and picking up on some of those sprinkles just racing off to the east. And by the time the radar beam gets there, 500 feet off the ground, if that. So we'll likely see some raindrops, but that's about it. Friday afternoon planner, again, highs up to the mid 80s, about a 50 to 60% chance for the showers and storms at school dismissal. So you've got the lightning threat, the gusty winds, but more importantly, the heavy rain. Really concerned about some localized flooding and flash flooding today because the roads and, of course, the creeks and streams just cannot take much more rainfall considering what we've seen the last 7 days. Friday night football, there is that chance for showers and storms lingering all the way through the fourth quarter. And that also includes, of course, out at Toyota Field for the Trash Pandas game this night. But like yesterday, we had a doubleheader for the Trash Pandas, and they were still able to get the games in. So it's just hit or miss. You may get lucky. You may stay completely dry. Again, temperatures and what it feels like will stay closer to the upper 80s to low 90s both today and tomorrow. And then we're going to start to see the heat building in. This is kind of the peak. I think most areas will likely still be closer to 105 for a heat index, but maybe some of the hot spots closer to Muscle Shoals, you could see some of those heat index values approaching 110 by early next week. Future radar and satellite, 7:30 this morning. Other than a few sprinkles and light showers, that's pretty much about it. But right around lunchtime, starting to see the showers developing, storms off to the north and west, and even a few storms developing already close to the Georgia state line in northeastern DeKalb County. And we'll continue to see those hit or miss showers and storms all the way through 4 o'clock this afternoon. Keep in mind, this is just a forecast model. We could see a little bit more coverage than what it's showing for today. And we'll continue to see that threat all the way through this evening, but there is that chance that we stay dry for Friday night football. Fingers crossed, right? And then heading all the way through the overnight hours and into Saturday morning. I know this is not the way we'd like to start our weekend. This is 8 o'clock, and look at all the heavy rain and thunderstorms moving into the western half of our viewing area. And again, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Watch as I animate this. Look how long it takes for that to move through the area. Kind of pivots, rotates right on top of us around 12 o'clock. That's 4 hours. Then it takes another couple of hours for it to drop off to the south. So just think about all the rain that would fall in that time period if this were to verify. That's concerning, just something we'll have to monitor through the day tomorrow. Then by tomorrow evening, we're starting to dry things out, but a chance for a few more pop-up storms heading into your Sunday. So rainfall forecast for the next 7 days, closer to Philip Campbell, that purple, that's actually closer to 2 inches of rainfall. Thankfully, we're not expecting any impacts from tropics locally here over the next 7 days. That is Tropical Storm Grace, likely a hurricane at landfall in central Mexico. And then that's Tropical Storm Henri, could be a hurricane in the next 24 to 48 hours. And I mean, look at this, folks. A Category 1 hurricane possibility close to New England. That's just off to the east of Long Island. Connecticut, Massachusetts, all being impacted by that. So a lot of concerns with that. But again, we'll be slowly drying things up by Monday and Tuesday with the heat building into North Alabama.